किड्स हम समान लेटर लिखेंगे A to Z तक और कलर नेम जानने के साथ। ग्रीन कलर, स्मॉल A for aeroplane, orange color, B for butterfly, blue color, C for cat, red color, D for duck, brown color, E for egg, purple color, F for frog, C green color, G for grape, blue color, H for hen, green color, I for ice cream, orange color, J for joker, pink color, K for king, brown color, L for lemon, red color, M for mango, purple color, N for nose, pink color, O for onion, C green color, P for parrot, blue color, Q for question, green color, R for rose, orange color, S for sun, red color, T for tiger, brown color, U for umbrella, purple color, V for van, orange color, W for watch, pink color, X for Xmas tree, C green color, Y for yak, orange color, Z for zebra, A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Thank you, kids.